How to download IMO app on Android. Want to make free video calls and chat with your friends and family using IMO? Let's get it installed on your Android phone. It's super easy and I will walk you through every single step. The first thing first, let's find the Google Play Store on your phone. You can see my Google Play Store right over here. Simply tap on it. Once you are inside, tap on the search icon which is in bottom right corner over here. Tap on it, then tap on the search bar and search for IMO. Then tap on search. Now you will see the list of apps. We are looking for the official one, which is usually called IMO International Call and Chat. So this is the one. You can see it right over here. If you are still confused, it has the white speech bubble with the word IMO written in the blue. See it? Now simply tap on the install button. It's right over here. Tap on it and wait for a while. Once finished, the button will change to open. You can see my open right over here. Simply tap on here, or you can find the IMO icon on your phone's home screen. And that's it, you have successfully installed IMO. You can open the app, set up your account and start connecting with the people. Go ahead and give it a try. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, then forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.